Hello students, this is my fourth video for the chapter determinants of class 12 mathematics. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. Shamsundar Agrawal. Here I am going to explain what is minor, cofactor, adjoint and inverse of matrix. First, minor of elements of a determinant. Minor of any element Aij in the determinant of all the elements is the determinant of all the elements after deleting ith row and jth column. So minor of any element Aij is the determinant of all the elements after deleting the ith row and jth column. Just like the minor of A12 is the determinant of all the elements after deleting first row and second column. A13 is the after deleting the first row and third column, similarly others. So of order 2, what about the minors? The determinant is A11, A12, A21, A22. Then minor A11, minor of A11 is denoted as M11 after deleting the first row and first column. The rest determinant of rest element is A22. So A22 is the minor of A11. Similarly, minor of A12 is after deleting first row and second column. The rest element is A21. Similarly, for M21, the minor of A21 is after deleting second row and first column. The rest element is A12. Similarly, M22, the minor of A22 after deleting the second row and second column, the determinant of only element A11 is A11. Similarly, for order 3, minors are A1, the determinant is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, 32, 33. Its minors. M11, the minor of A11 is after deleting first row and first column. The determinant of rest element is determinant of A22, A23, A32, A33. Similarly, minor of A12 is A12, M12, that is after deleting the first row and second column. The determinant of the rest elements are A21, 23 and 31, 33. Similarly, minor of A13 is M13 is equals to determinant of the uh, elements after deleting the first row and third column is A21, A22, A31 and A32. Similarly, M21 is determinant of A12, A13, A32, A33. Similarly, M22 is A11, A13, A31, A33 determinant. Similarly, M23 after deleting the second row and third column, the determinant of the rest elements is A11, A12, A31 and A32. Similarly, M31, third row, first column, after deleting all the elements, determinant of the rest elements A12, A13, A32, A23. Similarly, M32 is a determinant of A11, A13, A21, A23. M33 is equals to determinants of A11, A12, A21, A22. And cofactors of elements of the determinant Cij is the cofactor of Aij is denoted as Cij is equals to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. It's minor. So let us take an example. Find the minors and cofactors of the elements of the following. Minor of 3 M11 is minor of 3, that is after deleting first row and first column it is equals to 1. M12, that is minor of minus 4 is after deleting first row and second column it is 7. M21 after deleting second row and first column M21 is equals to minus 4. Similarly, M22 after deleting second row and second column M22 is 3. Now C11 is Cij is minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. So C11 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. So 1 into 1 is 1. C12 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12 is minus 1 into 7 is 7. C21 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21. So minus 1 into minus 4 is 4. C22 is equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22 is 1 into 3 is 3. So it's a very simple one. How to find out adjoint of a matrix? Let a matrix Aij is of order n cross n is a square matrix with elements A11, 12 up to 1n, n1 up to nn. So it is a n cross n square matrix. Then adjoint of a matrix is defined as Cij transpose of n cross n, means it is the matrix obtained by taking the determinants, taking the transpose of all the elements of the matrix replaced by their cofactors. So 1 1 replaced by C11, A12 replaced by C12, A1 Ij replaced by Cij. Similarly, all the elements replaced by their cofactors, and if you take their transpose, it becomes the adjoint of the matrix. The question is, find out adjoint of the matrix 3 minus 4 7 1. As we have already calculated, the minor is M11 is 1, M12 is 7, M21 is minus 4, M22 is 3. Similarly, its cofactors C11 is 1, C12 is minus 7, C21 is 4 and C22 is 3. Now adjoint of A is where each element replaced by their cofactors C11, C12, C21, C22 and their transpose, that is 1 minus 7 4 3, transpose of this is 1 4 minus 7 3. So adjoint of that matrix is 1 4 minus 7 3. Singular matrix and non-singular matrix. A matrix is said to be singular if its determinant is equals to 0 and non-singular if its determinant is not equals to 0. Inverse of a matrix by using formula. Inverse of a matrix A is equals to adjoint by determinant where determinant is not equals to 0, means matrix must be a non-singular matrix, then only inverse exists, and its inverse is equals to adjoint of that matrix by determinant. So where adjoint we have already discussed the transpose of the matrix where all the elements replaced by their cofactors. So let us find out inverse of the matrix 3 minus 4 7 1 by using the formula. So let A is equals to matrix 3 minus 4 7 1, then its determinant is equals to determinant of 3 minus 4 7 1 is 3 into 1 minus 4 into 7, that is 3 plus of 28 is 31, which is not equals to 0. That means this given matrix is non-singular matrix, so its inverse exists. So let us find out its minors. Minors M11 is 1, M12 is 7, M21 is minus 4, M22 is 3. Then cofactors C11 is 1, C12 is minus 7, C21 is 4, C22 is 3. Then adjoint of A is equals to transpose of the matrix when all the elements replaced by their cofactors C11, C12, C21 and C22. This is not 2 1, this is 2 2. So adjoint of A is 1 minus 7 4 3 and transpose of this. So it is 1 4 minus 7 of 3. Now inverse of A is equals to adjoint by determinant, that is matrix contains 1 4 minus 7 3 by the determinant is 31. So it is A inverse is equals to 1 by 31, 4 by 31, minus 7 by 31, 3 by 31. 2 cross 2 matrix with 4 different elements. Okay. Now if A is a non-singular matrix of order 3, then prove that determinant of adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A whole square. So as we know, A inverse is equals to adjoint of A by determinant of A. So determinant of A into identity matrix is adjoint of A into A, as A is of order 3. So I is of also order 3. Here adjoint of A into determinant of A is equals to determinant of A into identity matrix determinant of I, or adjoint of A matrix into A, its determinant is equals to matrix A into determinant of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and when we multiply determinant of A, it becomes determinant of A 0 0 0 0 determinant of A 0 0 0 A determinant, that is equals to diagonal matrix. Its determinant is a diagonal, it contains only 3 elements, and main diagonal elements determinant A, determinant A, determinant A. So its determinant is equals to determinant A whole cube, and left hand side adjoint of A determinant into determinant of A is adjoint determinant A whole cube. By taking determinant A both dividing by determinant A, it becomes adjoint of A determinant is equals to determinant A whole square. Proved. Assume that inverse of the matrix contains A, B, C, D exists, then find out its inverse. Then as given is inverse is exist, that means it is a non-singular matrix. So determinant of A is equals to determinant of A, B, C, D, that is AD minus BC, which is not equals to 0 because this is a non-singular matrix and inverse exists. So its first we have to find out its minor, then cofactors. So directly cofactors is equals to C11 is D, C12 is minus C, C21 is minus B, and C12 is A. Then adjoint of A is C11, C12, C21, C22 transpose is C11, C21, C12 and C22, that is D minus B minus C A. Then inverse of A is adjoint of A by determinant, that is matrix contains D minus B minus BA divided by AD minus BC, or matrix contains 4 elements D by AD minus BC, minus B by AD minus BC, minus C by AD minus BC, and A by AD minus BC. So this is the inverse of the given matrix. Find inverse of the matrix 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3 by using the formula. So first let us find out this is determinant, whether it is a singular matrix or not. So non-singular matrix or not. So 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3, its determinant is equals to 1. You know how to find out the determinant of this 3 cross 3. So 2 into 3 minus 0 is 6, minus 0, minus 1 into 5 minus 1 is minus 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1, which is not equals to 0. So it is a non-singular matrix, hence A inverse exists. Directly I am writing their cofactors because you know how to find out the minors and cofactors. So C11 is 3, C12 is minus 15, C13 is 5, C21 is minus 1, C22 is 6, C23 is minus 2, C31 is 1, C32 is minus 5, C32 is 2. So adjoint is C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33 transpose. That is 3 minus 15 5, minus 1 6, minus 2 1, minus 5 2 whole transpose is 3 minus 1 1, minus 15 6, minus 5 5, minus 2 2. Then A inverse is equals to adjoint by determinant. Adjoint is matrix contains 3 minus 1 1, minus 15 6, minus 5 5, minus 2 2 by determinant is 1. So inverse is equals to matrix contains 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. So it's a very simple one. Now inverse of a diagonal matrix. Let A be any diagonal matrix of order n cross n, then its inverse is a matrix where diagonal elements are replaced by their multiplicative inverse. So it is a very simple, just like short type questions. How to find out the inverse of a diagonal matrix? Just replace their diagonal elements by their multiplicative inverse. So what is the inverse of the diagonal matrix? Minus 0.5 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 1. This is a diagonal matrix with diagonal elements minus 0.5 4 and 1. So inverse of this is equals to the diagonal elements replaced by their multiplicative inverse, that is 1 by minus 0.5 0 0 0 1 by 4 0 0 0 1 by 1, that is minus 2 0 0 0 0.25 0 0 0 1. So inverse of this diagonal matrix is like this. So it's a very simple one. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. Shyam Sundar Agarwal. Thank you very much and have a watch for the next video.